Hi, it's Beth here with a sample cover letter for you to look at before you write your own. And I'm going to walk you through it real quick. It's a formal business letter, no reason for frills of any sort, just short to the point, no more than 1 page, just like your resume from last week. Date at the top and full address. Now, for this one, this is a fake one, so make up something. But you need somebody's name, know to whom it may concern. Go to the trouble of researching the company and find out exactly who is the director of human resources, who is the manager of the restaurant, who is the person who's going to be doing the hiring. So the complete address there, skip a space, and dear, again, the name. Now, unless you know that Amelia Rodriguez goes by Mrs., I wouldn't do that. I'd do MS period Ms. Or if you didn't know anything, you do know the name, you can say just Dear Amelia Rodriguez. Just be careful there. You don't want to offend them. If they're a doctor, PhD, definitely don't call him Ms. So I'm not Ms. Adlot. I'm Dr. Adlot. This, I would put a colon instead of a comma because it's more formal. Then at the very beginning, as we've already talked about, you need to say exactly what you're doing. Why does this person, Amelia Rodriguez, need to be looking here? I'm applying for the job of cook. What you're doing. I would pretend that you're responding to a job description, so that too you'll have to make it up. And this is the time to toot your own horn. My skills and experience make me an ideal candidate for the position. You might even repeat that sentence. That's fine. Now, why? The body of your paper, these 2 paragraphs, are going to explain why you're the ideal candidate. And this person is going not with her education, but is it a her? Jane, we assume. With her experience. And she says, I've been working in the culinary industry for 7 years. Notice she says, I began as a dishwasher. And why is this important? Right here, you state in your job description that applicants should have strong customer service skills, and I do. Actually, I received the award for Employee of the Month. Now, in this body, anything, I was a stay-at-home parent for 10 years. During those 10 years, I learned budget, working with others, time management. Take what you've been doing for the last several years and show what you've learned from it. At the end, I am confident that my experience and skills will make me a valuable member of this hospital culinary team. I have enclosed my resume. The resume is going to come next, and we'll call, and then how to contact me. And this woman, Jane, excuse me, is going to call within the week. You might say some kind of follow-up. I will get back in touch with you within a week, within 2 weeks, or please contact me if you have any further questions. Thank you so much. Thank them for it, and then sincerely. Then if this is hard copy, you will sign it and then type it. We will talk about this more.